This video is on Graco Blossom high chair assembly, and I cover how to put together Graco Blossom 6-in-1 high chair. This Graco Blossom high chair is a popular baby high chair, but boy, how to assemble Graco Blossom high chair cannot be more confusing. Anyway, I will cover Graco Blossom high chair instructions step by step, and I'll start right now. Let's start the Graco high chair assembly by quickly unboxing the Graco Blossom high chair. These are the parts in the box. In this step of the Graco Blossom 6-in-1 assembly, insert the footrest into the bottom of the seat like this. Now push the footrest toward the front of the seat like this. Now attach the footrest cover using 3 Phillips screws. Insert the footrest to one of the 3 height options. Insert the seat back into the base of the infant seat. You have to squeeze to put it into the holes on both sides. This step is really stupid. This video is not sponsored, and I also spend lots of time making and editing this video. If you're getting value out of this video, please support us by hitting the like button, or even better, by leaving a short or one word comment below. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm and also very encouraging for us. Thank you so much for watching, and let's continue with the video. Now I attach the Graco Blossom high chair cover. Insert the webbing on the back of the seat pad into the slots in the sitting area. Snap the seat pad flaps into the armrests on both sides of the seat. Place the infant seat on the chair like this. Push the buttons on both sides and lift the seat to remove it. I show you Graco Blossom high chair tray replacement. There are 3 trays on this Graco 6-in-1 high chair. Grab this smaller tray and insert it through the opening on the front of the seat like this. To remove, push the button with the Graco logo on the front and pull the tray away. You can do this with one hand. Nice. The second tray is this larger one. Squeeze the handles on the sides and place the tray over the smaller tray like this. You need both hands for this tray. You can remove all trays together with one hand like this. The third option is this tray insert. It sits on top of the larger tray. One of the features of this Graco Blossom 6-in-1 convertible is this booster seat that goes on top of your dining chair. Wrap the top and bottom straps around your dining chair like this. You can also have the option of putting the seat from the main high chair on top of the booster like this. I have other videos on this Graco Blossom high chair. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.